This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Fine. Guys, here. So this is a data set. I'll share this data set in WhatsApp. Okay, particularly you can download this data set and work on your task number 3. Okay, right? And then this file, serial number, product name, and sales date, category, and amount and country. We want to create that one more dashboard. Okay, so using with some different charts. Okay, right? We're going to use with some different charts. Okay, so we know that stack bar charts. So that and all you people work, and I see in some of the presentation you work with tree map and all. Okay, right? So how to work with some different charts. So that we can able to take a look over here now. Okay, so this data set I will share this product file. Okay, in WhatsApp I will share to your profile and you just take a look. Guys, just check your WhatsApp, right? I shared that file. Have you received? Guys, check your WhatsApp, right? Have you received that file? Fine. Okay. So here we'll start that work. Okay. So now step number 1, how to create one UI dashboard. Okay, right? UI dashboard in the sense user interface dashboard. Okay, fine. How to create UI dashboard. Okay, right? Using Power BI. Okay. So now you just take a look and it should be like, what is it? What are the steps we can able to follow? Same similar kind. We can use shapes, right? And then we can use text box. And then it's on small formats. How to work with currencies and decimal points. Okay, right? Basic formatting for the presentation wise. Okay, so those type of few things we can able to work in Power BI now. Okay, fine. So I'll just close this startup screen. Okay, so I close that startup screen. So now step number one, I need to import the data here. I can go to that. Guys, just a second. Okay, right. There's some technical issue. Okay, fine, it's sorted out. Okay, so now once if you open this Power BI, okay, and click on this get data over here and Excel workbook, and in a desktop, and I'm going to choose a file, product, and click open button. Okay, and once if you opened, you can select that your sheet one, and you can see to that your preview from the right hand side. Okay, I'll select this sheet one, and this is a preview. Serial number, product name, sales date, category, and amount and country. Okay, fine. And then I'll click load button over here. And just go to the right hand side of the section for the fields. Okay, I selected that sheet one. And then from the right hand side, you can take a look, all the fields are displayed. Okay, I'll just expand that sheet one. That amount is a number sections. Okay, it will be there in that summation, and category and country, and then product name and sales date. Guys, from that you can see to that one calendar, what is that type can able to generate. Okay, that is auto generated logo. Okay, for that is the date format, and some data set if you download from internet. Okay, right, so actually the date will be there, but we can't able to see that what is that calendar. You got my point? Okay, some dates will be there, but it won't shows into the format of what is the calendar. So that moment you can't work with some charts for the Power BI. So we have to custom that particular column. Which column? That date. Okay, that sales date column we need to customize. So if that particular column it is not displayed in calendar, you have to go to that options can be called as what is it? Data. From the left hand side you can able to find data. Right? Just click on that and confirm that particular sales date column, it should be in date format. Okay, you understand? Now I can select this date format. Okay, the data type. Okay, the column name is what is it? Sales date. And once if you click that data, okay, you can able to see that your preview of your information. Okay, select that sales date and confirm that data type is what is it? Date format. Okay, that moment you can able to see that this calendar logo. Okay, so this will happen. This will happen from what is it? Improper data set. Okay, but inside it will be there in date format, but I never used to get that logo. So confirm that, select the date column and check whether the data type is what is it? Date. And then the format. Okay, I don't want this type of format. I'm going to customize that. So click on this drop down menu, which format you want. Okay, right? I want that short date format. So I can select that. Okay, if you want month first, day or year, you can choose this one. I want some more here. First, what is that? Month, day, and year. If you want, you can choose this. But actually, I want from this format. Day, month, and year. You can customize. Just I'll select this format. The particular column automatically will be what is that? It will affect. Okay, it will change the formats. Okay, you can set up that what format you want. Clear? Fine. And then next I'm targeting into that one more column. Which column? Amount column. This amount column, whether you want any whole numbers or decimal point, that also you can able to target. Okay, I can select this amount sections. Here, what is this? whole numbers. Whole numbers means without decimal. Now I'm going to make it drop down and I'm going to click that, what is it? Decimal number. Okay, and I'm going to click on this, what is that? S button. I'm converting that particular column into decimal. So what will happen? Automatically it will ready to set, what is that? The zeros. I can able to increase some to, what is that? 1 I added, 10 I added. You can see to that the changes it is going to work. 17582.0. So one more zero if I want, you can able to click add. Right? And then I have to apply some symbol, euro. Okay, dollars, right? Rupee. If you want to apply that, from that, select the column of the amount, drop down menu. Okay, so here, which format you want to apply? Okay, all the currencies, okay, from the word, all the currency you can able to apply. So now I'm going to work with India. I can little scroll down and find, okay, fine. I can choose this. Okay, right. Guys, here there will be a one small query. Okay, right? So there is one small query. If I want from that each country, so country example China. In China, what type of currency they are using? I want that particular symbol. And then for United States, for Indonesia, Pakistan, and Brazil, for the country wise, I want that, what is this symbol, currency. For that, we have to write if conditions. Okay, right? If is it Pakistan? So we already worked with ladder if, right? For that, we need to write it off. That means still more customized. So here you can just take a look. Power BI, they given that all the currency format. So what is the, some other query? I want from each country their relevant, what is it? Currency symbol. We have to write formulas. You got my point, right? So this is that. So that we will see later. So now the point is, up to now you can maintain your sales date column and your, what is it, numbers column. And once if it is done, just get back to that your report section. Okay, fine. So now I just back to the report sections. Now here, what I want, I'm going to click on this tab. What is the tab? Insert tab. Fine. And then here, and I'm going to choose that option. What is it? Shapes. And I'm going to click on this rectangle over here. And then this I can able to expand that till the last. Fine. I can able to use a drag and drop option. Fine. And then here you can able to find that format for this, but what is that shape? And here right hand side you can able to find that, what is that format, the shape I can able to click. And here the rounded corners, so little bit rounded corner from the corner outside. Here you can able to see that it is little small corners, okay, rounded corners. And I'm going to still, and I'm going to make it style. So right now it is in, what is that, 12. So the corner is the rounded corners. Okay, fine. And then again I'll select this. I can able to make it rounded corner is 8 enough. And then I want to be work with some colors. Okay, I'll go to that, what is that, style. And here I'm going to click on this, what is that, color. And what is that, more colors. Right. So you can also choose that whatever the color you want, you can choose. You can drag, you can drop. Or I want to be work with some realistic color, in the sense what I will do. I told you, right? You can go to that your website and type that word color codes, enter button, and click on this HTML color codes. Right? And I'm going to take a color. Okay, for this color I'm going to take, or this color. Okay, whatever it is, fine, no issue. I can take little dark. Copy this color code and get back to that your failure sections, and I'll paste. Okay, fine. So the moment you can able to apply the color, so fill is done. And then next I want to enable that, what is it? Shadow. Okay, fine. Okay, you can able to check that your shadow is working. And then, so here I can able to work with some different colors or related kind of. Okay, I don't want from the bottom and right. I want that complete of, what is it? Bottom. Okay, so the transparency, okay, you can able to check with the transparency for the designs. Okay, right? So little bit kind of enough. And then glow property. I'll turn on this glow, and I can able to use some glow property. Okay, right? So now on small design looks like dashboard. Okay, and then next step you can able to find that one more, what is that? Text box. Click on this text box over here, and I'll place the cursor. Fine, and I'm going to give that a company name. The name which I given, Air Goods Private Limited. I can click bold and I'll make it center, and then I'm going to make it as the font size, and you can want whatever the font style you can able to apply. It should like, okay, like presenting that your data over here. Okay, and sorry for this. Okay guys, so that's what I will do. I can little bit, I can make it short. Okay, so this you just make it little drag and drop and above place over their section. Okay, so once if you placed, and then from the right hand side you can able to find that options from here, effects. Okay, and in effects sections you can find that option, what is the background, turn off this background, and select that word, and I'm going to convert that color into white. Okay, so now I placed that company name from the top. Fine. So now what next I need to do? And I have to place some logo, right? I want to place some, what is it? Logo. Here you can able to find that image, and you can also download some logo over here. Okay, so based on that company logo, whatever, or if you have your own company logo, fine. So just I will add one more word. What is that? Sorry, PNG. Okay.
It will take only PNG format.
I'll do the right click, save image as, and then in desktop, I saved that file. Okay. So now this is the image I need to work. So why I targeted that PNG, in the sense, the PNG file for the presenting wise, it will be very faster. Okay. If you use JPEG, because of the high resolution, what will happen? It takes some time. Okay, got it clear, right? That's what any website they will use. What is the PNG file? And then I'll select this image over here, and then go to that company logo, and I'm going to customize that logo over here. Okay, I customize the logo, and then what is that? Style. Here it contains what is the normal, fit, and then what is that? Fill. Whichever you want, you can set up. Okay. So this logo, I can able to make it target from the top of the location. Okay, guys. So the logo is set up. Fine. So the next one more target. What I'm going to target? I'm going to target that one more tool. What is it? Slicer tool. Okay. So when I'm going to click on the slicer tool, and which one I'm going to select? I'm going to select with this sales date. Select this sales date option. Fine. You can see to that the drag and drop options will work. You can have the controls. So which year to which year, if you want, you can drag. I want from that drag of what is it? So here you can able to see that the dates are there, right? I can increase that size. So that moment clearly you can understand that the drag and drop property. Okay, I'll select this slicer tool. That means slicer chart, and I'll click on this format. Okay, and then for the values, and I'm going to give that values as example 15, and then I'll make it little, what is that, bold. Okay, and then here, and I'm going to change the font color as what is that, font color. What is the font color I set it? White. So why it's white? Now I'm going to change that background color. What is the background color? And I'm going to change this. Okay, but it's clear, right? So for this little trick, that's all. And then next one, again I have to go to that options for what is that, general, and what is that, effects here, and I'm going to choose that color. What is the color I can able to go for? Right, little opposite for the presentation. Okay, so for that, just for it looks like I can make it little drag. You can place it over there. Okay, fine. And then for this, you can also make it little control. Fine. And then here you can able to find that the sales date is there, right? I don't want that title, so I can go to that. What is it? General. You can able to make it. It is in black. So not this one. I can go to that options for visuals. Slicer header. Okay, the slicer header is there, right? That I'll turn off. Okay, not required. Okay, guys, right? And then from here you can able to take a look. I can go with that options. Drag 2020 to 2022, whatever you want. Okay, you can able to have the look. Okay, fine, all good. So now the next step, again I'm going to take that, what is it, slicer, and I'm going to choose that option. What is it? Country. So once if I click that country, and it is contains, what is that, selection options, right? I can select whatever I want, selection options. This I want to format. I can click on this option. What is the option? Format visuals. Okay, fine. Click on this. So for the last I selected sales date. For this slicer tool I selected, what is that? Country section. And once if you get selected, and what is that, slicer settings? What is available? It is in vertical, right? So it is in vertical. I don't want that vertical. So here, if you want to talk more about the selection, what I have, single selection. I want to work with only one selection, means what is it? What I turned on. single selection. That means like a radio button. Once if you selected Brazil, it won't go for that others. If I am going with that turn off the single selection, what is turned on? Multi-selection means at a time I can select, what is it? One more. Okay, I want to see that others. So here, what is that? Brazil also is selected. And what is it? And I want to enable this multi-selections too. Now, I don't want this all. Okay, fine. I don't want, what is it? All. I turned off. Here, in this options, what I'm going to do, it is in vertical, right? And I'm going to convert into, what is that? Horizontal. Okay, fine. So this, I can able to make it top. And then little bit, I can make it over there. Okay, same similar options. I'll turn off this, what is the slicer, header. Okay, and then again I will repeat that effects, the background color, and I'm going to choose, fine, and I'm going to work with visuals, the values. The values I'm going to work with white. Okay, and then for the background of this person, and I'm going to convert into dark. Okay, the values I can make it as little bold, and then I'll increase that font size. Okay guys, so this is one, and then now you can able to have that selection of responsive buttons, like, right? Okay, right? So in this data sheet there is no India over here. Okay, fine. Based on that, because we dragged down. Okay, so there is no data over there from the till. Okay, so later we can see to that. And here there is that one more option. What is that? And select the single card. So sorry, it should be overlap. You have to click outside. Okay, so click outside, and I'm going to click on this. What is that? Card. So this card, and I'm going to make it little customized, and I'm going to place over there. And thus I can able to make it right hand side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to convert as, what is that? Amount section. Here you can able to take a look. Okay, and then I don't want in that K format. I want that complete number. So here again select this and click on that category label, and I'm going to convert the category label as white. Fine. And then the call out label is, and I'm going to convert as again white. Right? In that general, for the effects, for the background, and I'm going to turn as dark. I don't want dark, and I want light. Fine. So, and then next for this card, for the format, the call out value, here you can able to find that option. What is the display units? I don't want, and I want in what is it? None. That means the original value. Okay, guys, right? So now I can able to make it font size. So I want to press it in this order. Okay, all good. Now here, guys, is it clear, right? Any doubts over here? Check into the chat window. Guys, up to any doubts over here? Fine. Fine. Good. Right. Right. Okay. Fine. We'll continue. Now, next, I have to go to that one more option. So here, I'm going to select this option. What is the tree map? I select this tree map over here, and I'll expand 10 options. Okay. Now what I want that country name, and then I want to be enabled with what is that? Amount sections. So right now, what is available? It is available only in what is that? Japan. So it should be there outside of the selections. So if I click Indonesia, I'll get only Indonesia. What is that? China, Brazil, and then what is that? Bangladesh, and then little bit I can work with this.
அதுல scroll button வராங்க.
Okay, you can see that how the responsives are working. Okay, if you click that focus mode, you can able to see to that all selections. Okay, I'll back to that original design over there. Okay, so in the filters, it is available in that what is that date wise. So let it be there from the all data. Okay, right? Okay, now and guys, there is one more query, and some of them are not working with that map. The map is not working, so the country is not displayed. So how to do that? Okay, guys. So here in Power BI, by default, your map location will be turned off. So you have to enable that. Go to the file menu option, file, and then go to that what is that options and settings over here, and then you can find that one more what is that another options. Click on these options. Okay, due to some security reason, it will be in default for what is the disable formatting in Power BI. You need to enable it off, and then here you can able to find that left hand side. What is that security? Select the word security, and here just make it little scroll down, and here you can able to find that use map and filled map visuals. It should be turned off. Okay, right? You have to enable that option. Okay, right? And once if you enable and click, what is that? Okay. Okay, guys. So now there is that one more. We are going to click that, and I'm going to work with what is that map? What is that? Filled map. When I click that filled map, and then I can able to make it little bigger, and then I'm going to work with what is that? Country. Now the moment automatically all your countries, whatever the selections, it will be displayed. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this Japan. Okay, right? And then I'm going to click on this, what is that? Brazil. Okay, the format, how you want to work with that. I select this country, okay, and go to that options, format your visuals, and here you can able to find that options. What is that? Map settings. So this is that font of what is it? Road, and I'm going to change into that some different style. Okay, guys, right? And then that you can also work with the fill colors. Okay, what color you want? Okay, and I'm going to change. Okay, fine. The colors. whatever you want. Okay, fine. So you can use up to it's the presentation is yours. Okay, whatever the colors you want, you can use it. Okay, and then the controls. Okay, auto zoom is available. Okay, so zoom button is also available. You can enable that zoom button. You can see the plus operator will be there. Okay, the zoom button is nothing but automatically you can able to place the cursor. You can zoom. For example, I'll show you in focus mode. Okay, so here you can. So now you can scroll still more. You can zoom it off. Okay, guys, right? So this property will work. Okay, this is what is it? Your mouse scroll. Now I want button in the sense you can select the zoom button. Okay, so that moment you can find plus operator. Okay, so this is one format. Okay, so whatever it is for up to your design. Okay, so now I'm going to click blank. So I'm not selected anything blank. So you can see that all the property I need to be displayed. Okay, now I'm going to click that. What is that? Brazil. And then I want to be work with Brazil is working. What is that label? Okay, so this I need to format. So here in this particular thing, I select. You can see that what is the data labels it is off. I need to enable this data label from the bottom. Okay, the values can display. Okay, so this I need to increase that font size. What is that? Okay, guys. Fine. So now I increase that font size and color. I can change into that black. Right. And then category labels I given 40 bold. Okay, guys, right? And then I don't want that options. What is that title? And here also I don't want that title. I'll turn off. Okay, now we can able to click Russia. Okay, United States and responsive site, and I want find. Okay, guys, right? I hope the session will be very interesting. Okay, this is what the UI design. Okay, the presentation, everything it should be looks good. Okay, so still some animations works also you can able to add it in Power BI. Okay, right? So here I don't want to write that much of formula. Final outcome is presentation. Okay, right? Using map and what is that? How much amount I need to get and what is that item it has happened. Okay, right? So this is for is a startup. Okay, right? As a startup, okay, immediately I can able to do fine. And I teach you that how to work with in Excel. In Excel also I can able to work with map. But this much of what is that? Effective things you can't able to work. Okay, right? So in Excel that will not be happened. Okay, guys. Any doubts over here? Is it clear, right? This is what your task number 3. Fine. Okay, right? Guys, is it clear? Any doubts? This is 4. Uh, just a second, let me check. Yeah, sorry for this. This is the task number 4. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Priyanka. Yeah, good. This is task number 4. Fine. Yeah, so Okay, I have not received any task number 3 from yesterday's dashboard work. Okay, fine, thank you. Right, and guys, this is task number 4. Okay, so work on task number 3 and task number 4. That means from yesterday's sessions and today's sessions. Okay, so both that things can able to make it clear. Fine, and we can end this 3 tasks. That moment we can able to go for the next level of Tableau. Okay, so Tableau master, right? So fine, just start your work, and I want that your report number 7 and 8. Okay, so make it, share that one by today, and you can increase your score up to 75. Okay, so now you have 50. So work on your report number 7 and 8. The people who completed that all the tasks, the 10 tasks. Okay, right? So only those people can able to work on report number 78, guys. Okay, and Harika, you can complete your pre-test by today and work on report number 1 and 2 and share that file. Fine, clear? 8:30. I need to. That's what I'm just ending this session. So 1 hour I required for your update your profile. Okay. So before you can complete and share the data, fine. Oh, right. And Ritika, you need to check your reports too. Fine, it's 42. And Soja, you have to check your activity. Almost you're done. You have, I think, remaining 10, 9 and 10, I guess. Take a look. Then work side by side. You can also work with your activity. Yeah, you've done 8 activities, right? And work on your reports too. And Vazia, okay, and you have to check your profile, Vazia. Yeah. Fine, no issues. After some 1 hour, you take 1 hour time. Okay, right? So maybe that server maintenance it is not working. No issue. Okay, and always I'll check once. You side by side. You can also check. Huh? Fine. So things will be okay. Fine, no issues. And no issue if that website is not working. Okay, so not a problem. Okay, you can work your report, and work your task. Fine. So make it ready. Once if it is working, you can target your work. Fine. And then Shreya. Okay. So check your score, Shreya. I think I updated. Okay. So data by tomorrow you can just take a look. And Ella, you just check your activity reports too. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll end of the sessions today. Fine. So try to complete all your pending works, and from this week, almost we've taken 50%. From next week, we have to go with that minimum 80. Okay, we need to go for 80, and remaining 20% your report and Viva. Okay, fine. So make sure this all the video reference you just have a look. Maybe the based on that Viva it will be targeted. Okay, fine. So fine. Okay, guys, I'll end the session today. We'll take a look from tomorrow. Fine. Any doubts here? Fine. Good. I appreciate it. Okay. Fine. See you guys. Bye.